Hello. Today, I'm going to show you how to operate remote control manually in Bodyfriend's signature products, such as Palace 2, Phantom 2, Pharaoh S2 Choco Brown. Press the power button at the top of the remote control to turn on your massage chair. Select Auto Mode in the main menu. There are waist, neck and shoulder, recovery, stretch, rest, refresh, auto upper, auto lower, office, hip up, athlete, stretch 2, rejuvenate, lymphatic, lower lymph, digestive. You can choose any mode which performs auto scan. I will select refresh mode. The reason why we're in auto mode is because we want to do body scan it according to your body type. When refresh mode is on after auto scan completed, press the menu button twice and return to the main menu. The main menu consists of auto, brain massage, manual, airbags, heating, roller, and settings. On the main menu screen, select on manual mode. Technique. You can enjoy massage with kneading, tapping, chopping, acupressure, combination, and rhythmic. You can enjoy massage in 6 different techniques. Please select one. I am going to select acupressure from the techniques. You'll notice the rollers moving on your back. Width. There are wide, medium, and narrow in the width. When the rollers move upward from the waist, choose narrow, medium, or wide. You can see that the pressure on your spine is wider or narrower. You can enjoy massage with your preference. This massage function is used by other companies to massage your spine while lying down. You can enjoy both Bodyfriend's premium massage and other companies' functions. This massage mode not only builds a straight spine, but also helps with posture. Spot. Spot is divided into 3 categories: full, partial, and fixed. Many people want to get a neck or back massage for a specific part of their body. When the rollers arrive at the area you want to receive massage, press the fixed button at the spot. The rollers are fixed in one place, so it's a concentrated massage. You can select any techniques except acupressure. The rollers should be stationary at the moment because I choose acupressure. I've chosen kneading, because I think kneading is a best for neck and shoulder. By moving the rollers up or down, you can move them to the exact spot. Using these 2 buttons, press the button to make the roller go up or down to find the exact location. If you want to massage a bigger area, you can change it from a fixed to a partial. You'll be able to see that it's massaged from a bigger area. You can choose the speed of massage from 1 to 5 levels depending on your preference. Zero gravity. Use zero gravity to get a massage in a zero gravity pose. If you use the manual mode, you'll be able to receive many special features. Do your legs tired from walking so much today? If you want to focus on your legs and calves, there's a good method to get massages on your legs and calves. Go to the main menu. Select the airbag. Select the intensity of the airbags from 1 to 5. Please go back to the main menu. Go to roller. Turn on foot. And also turn on calf. When you're in auto mode, you're using a program the company has made for you. But when you're in manual mode, you'll be able to get massage on your feet and calves. If you use manual mode, you can get massages by selecting the part of your body you want. Now, please enjoy your massage with manual mode. Thank you for watching.